Hi, it's Amy with WTI. If you're looking for an awesome, stable, nice looking folding table, I gotta tell you about this 6-foot table by JCP or JingPieCle. This thing is a workhorse. The first time I opened it up, I was very impressed by the weight of it and how hefty it is. When setting it up, the legs fold out and they lock into place using this slip over. And make sure you press the yellow lock. You pull it up and you've got yourself a beautiful, huge table. It even has protective caps for the foot of the legs, so it's not going to scratch our floors. I love the clean white top. It's super easy to wipe up any messes, and I appreciate that it looks great with or without a tablecloth. For me, what makes this a must-have is that it's so incredibly versatile. It can be used for playing games, yard sales, workstations, or using multiple tables for wedding venues, and really so much more. We got it for my son's outdoor graduation party to place all the food on, and it was just perfect. And this thing can hold a lot of weight, no problem. I like that it's very easy to fold up, and it's got this handle here to make carrying it so much easier. With its compact size, we can just store it away until it's needed again. So if you're looking for a must-have folding table that's big enough to use for so many things, I think you'll be glad you got this one. And that's my point of view.